ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 35, శ్లోక 7. గృహ్ణన్ జంభారి సంప్రేషిత రథకవచౌ రావణేనాభియుధ్యన్ బ్రహ్మాస్త్రేణాస్య భిందన్ గలతతిం అబలాం అగ్నిశుద్ధాం ప్రగృహ్ణన్ దేవశ్రేణీవరో జీవిత సమరమృతైః అక్షతైః ఋక్షసంగైః లంకాభర్త్రా చ సాకం నిజనగరం అగాహ సప్రియః పుష్పకేణ. Word by word meaning. Jambhari Sampreshita Ratha Kavachau, a chariot and an armor sent by Devendra. Grihnan, accepting. Ravanena Abhiyudhyan, fighting with Ravana. Brahmastrena, with a Brahmastra. Asya Galatatim Bindhan, cutting off his row of 10 heads. Agnishuddham Abalam, Sita purified by fire. Pragrihnan, accepting. Deva Shreni Varojivita Samaramrutaihi, who were killed in battle and were brought back to life by the Devas. Akshataihi, and whose wounds were healed. Riksha Sangaihi, with the army of monkeys. Lanka Bhartram Cha Sakam, along with Vibhishana, the king of Lanka. Sapriyaha, and with Sita. Pushpakena, in the Pushpaka. Nijanagaram, to thy own city. Ayodhya. Agaha, didst go. Full meaning. Fighting against Ravana in a chariot and with an armor provided by Devendra, and cutting off all the 10 heads of Ravana with a Brahmastra, thou didst accept Sita, who had been purified by fire. The monkeys who were killed in the battle were brought back to life by the Devas, and those who had been wounded were healed of their wounds. Then thou didst depart for thy city, Ayodhya, along with Vibhishana and Sita in the Pushpaka Vimana. Om Tat Sat.